Hey guys, this is Barry with Fire and Ice Outdoors, and we're doing another unboxing video.
Here we go!
Hey guys, this is Barry with Fire and Ice Outdoors, and we have another unboxing video. And this company is called Bogist. It's a super small adult bike, lightweight, foldable. It doesn't fold completely, like this doesn't fold all the way across, but this folds kind of flat. I mean, this is pretty much what you'll get. This is the S16 super lightweight bike, 350 watt motor. The battery is a 7.8 amp hour. So the bike goes 15 miles per hour. The battery roughly is going to get you 15 miles. What this bike would be good for, I'm going to start putting it together while I'm talking to you. It's pretty easy. What this bike is good for is for someone that has, is going to college. If you have a boat, you don't want to have a car and you can just go going out to eat, not having to worry about parking in the city and stuff like that. When you get a bike, it's a whole nother world, and it's really weird because I've never owned a bike as an adult until I started this YouTube channel. Make sure you get a pair of wire cutters. It's really opened my eyes on how much these bigger cities are catered to bikes because of congestion and stuff like that. You have one of these bikes in your camper or your liveaboard boat or sailboat or whatever. Man, this will get you around no problems at all. You're not having to worry about trying to figure this out. I'm keeping this on the table so it's so easy. It's small. I promise you it's an adult bike. But oh, gotta get you. Maybe at an angle. There we go. It's just such a neat thing to pull out of your camper, not have to worry about your car. Just get on your bike here. You got a pocket knife. Make sure you have a knife too. Makes it a little easier. Just don't scratch the paint on your brand new bike. But the warranty on this bike is really cool. So the warranty, they're shipped within, they'll be delivered to your house between 4 and 8 days, 30-day replacement warranty, 90 days repair service for free, 180-day e-bike part provide for you absolutely free, 2-year quality warranty, online professional engineering tech guide for free. The warranty on this is insane. It's just one thing that you look for in an e-bike, because man, a lot of these bike shops, they will not work on e-bikes, and the problem is because they can't get parts. So if you're trying to reach out to to a bike shop, hey, will you do this or help me with this? Now this is still a bike, but the electronic part is the hard part. This company is eliminating all those little issues because bike companies that have let's see here. Come on. All right. Of course, I'm putting this on backwards. All right. Boom. I'm pretty sure it's got some screws and stuff with this. Those don't look like these screws. It's got a 1.5 amp hour battery. It should take, with that such a small battery, that shouldn't take super long to charge, maybe about 4 hours. I'm trying to see what all is in here. It should be the axle and yeah. So we've got pegs, quick release axle. I'm looking for those screws. I'm wondering if these are it. The funny thing is these show that they're tapered. Let's test these out real quick. Don't know, as we got to do a little bit of putting together with this. Most e-bikes, you don't have to, or like these foldable small ones, they all have them put together for you. Okay, so that is it. All right, yeah, here, come here, I'll show you. Is that right? Not tighten it all up yet. A little bit stiff. these screws on. We'll need to put the wheel on here, seat, and this right here as well. We'll have to mount that right there. So let's get these put on real quick. This one's wiggling around like it's cross-threaded. It's going in smooth, but it's just wiggling around. I don't like that. All right. There we go. All right. So let's get this put on, and the seat, those there, the back. Cool piece of wood. Stay. Oh my God, that was so easy. Put the spring on both sides. And take this, make sure it's facing upward and it's tight. There we go. Don't make it face forward. Something could bump it and open it up. That's perfect. All right, so we got right hand and left hand. Let's see if they say it on here. They don't. Oh, there it is. Left, right. So left is left, right, or rider's left, rider's right. This tool did not come with this. This is what you get right here. They're kind of crappy. Crappy tools, but it's all right. This one will be lefty tighty. Do not force this. I think this is a 15. Gotta get tight. There we go. And then this will be righty tighty. These are foldable as well. 15 millimeter. Like I said, these are foldable. Squeeze it. Let's see. And pull it back just like that. Lift it up. Super easy. What else we got, guys? Oh, we gotta put this on. Pull this back. Give that a little bit of a tight. Put this seat on. Boom. Boom. Look at this. That's so cool. All right, so we gotta put these on. Oh, I gotta put that front fender on too. Oh, I'm tightening it. There we go. God, this is easy. That looks crooked. Let's see. Come on. There we go. I got it. That's a little bit of a pain. Perfect. All right. I need to put this on. Let's go in and bring this down, and let's put on these right here, and then we'll look at the top. Got a new little mouthpiece. It's cool for different shots. The tools they give you are pretty crappy. They're absolutely will work with this, but if you do have any, these are not bad tools, as in, dude, this is so freaking light. They're not bad tools. They're just alrighty, boom. Let's see. I just like this little star. It's working for this application. Oh no, it's this little tiny one. There we go. So the screws are halfway screwed out on this bike, so heads up there. I like this little bike. If you had like an RV or a boat or something, dude, this would be just so you could park your boat, pull this out, go to a restaurant at a marina, go see the town. It's got plenty of power. Get a second battery. It'd be neat to have a rack on the back of it. That would be neat. It doesn't have a shifter, so it's one gear. Boom. And you're gonna have to have a 10 millimeter as well. They didn't provide that for you. I would want them to provide that for me if you're gonna make a bike for a customer. They need the tools. All right, Dude, perfect. Perfect, perfect. This seems like it wasn't necessarily fitted real well. The fenders are, you're gonna have to fight them. It definitely doesn't look like this was made for this bike. See, come here, look. See, it's all pushed back here. This is pushed back. It's not bad, just pain. We got to tighten this up. We've got to get a 10 millimeter now, which I should leave one out. There's a couple of bikes that have not provided a 10 millimeter, which you should if you're going to give your customers, you know, here we go. 10 millimeter. All right. There we go. Seems like it's a little bit crooked. See that? Or it's off to the side a little bit. Come on. Yeah. See a little gap there and a really big gap there. Guess a little bit of tweaking. It's not rubbing. The tire, yeah, it's got air. All right, so let's see here. Got your brakes, got power. I wonder if you need your key on to work this, or the battery's just dead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's get wire ties. So it's got power. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, well, I gotta figure out how to turn this on. So we'll be right back. You know what I did wrong? When I put this on and hit this, there's a connection of wires that you gotta put on these two. It's not connected. So I gotta take this back off. So I'm gonna take this, try to do it as quick as I can without, wait, make sure I'm, yeah. I actually know better. Golly, messing up. Trying to be as soft as possible because these screws are not very hardened. Yeah, that one's weird. All right, so I screwed up, but let me show you. So there, right here, I'm pretty sure, there it is. So these two, we gotta put these two together, which are gonna be a pain. These are very thin, so make sure you line them up really well. It's got these two arrows that you can line up, and there's these two knots that you can line up as well. So boom, and then put that inside there, like that. And boom. Put these screws back on, and I'll be right back. All right, got these on. All right, now we should have power. All right, there we go. Pull this off. Pretty. 1, 2, 3. Push this in. Pedal assist 2, if you just tap it, that's what I'm trying to. Pedal assist 3. Whoa, this is your throttle. Tap this twice and it looks like you got headlights. And next back here, brake lights work, which is freaking awesome. Double tap to get your lights working. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3 taps changes this to miles per hour. 1 tap, 2 tap. Now that's your highest speed. There's no gears here. I actually push these down because these are a little bit high. I don't like that. I want you to be able to see this without that glare. Let me turn this off. There we go. So 1 tap changes the gearing. 2 taps, lighting. And then 3 taps, 1, 2, 3, changes this to miles per hour to kmh. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. And then long hold. 1, 2, 3. Boom. 1, 2, 3. There's your power right here. And then that's your speedometer and then how far you've gotten. So I like this bike for what it is. If you've got like a camper, if you're even like car camping, anything like that, and you need to go get like some groceries or something like that, you'll have to carry a backpack. This doesn't come with a rack, but I mean, it packs down small. You pull this, let me turn this off real quick. 1, 2, 3. Lift this up, pull this back, drop that down. You'll have to take that seat and just go all the way down. I wonder, let me look here. Yeah, you can come all the way down. Yeah, it's a neat bike for what it is. It's $400, I think it's $399. And yeah, I think it's cool. If you like videos like this, hit the thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and it'll tell you when I come out with new videos like this. We do adventure videos every Saturday if you want to see those. And if you want this bike, I'll put it in the description below. If you don't want to get it later, just go to their website at Bogist. I think the actual website is AOVO. So it's AOVOstore.com. So, and you can pick yourself one up there as well. So either way, it doesn't matter to me. I like it, and thanks for watching.